Every community dining event, or mikot, carries a profound responsibility, preparing and serving thousands of wholesome meals with dignity and precision. Attempting to coordinate that scale using scattered spreadsheets and messaging apps creates massive operational blind spots. That guesswork forces kitchens to overpurchase. Excess ingredients sit unlogged, and eventually, good food goes to waste. FMB HQ solves this. It is a cloud-native digital ecosystem built entirely from the ground up to track every physical gram, every single rupee, and every recipe. It applies the rigorous precision of a global enterprise supply chain directly to the sacred duty of feeding a community. When a physical bag of rice arrives at the central store, staff weigh it and log it, creating a perfect digital twin in the cloud. The system generates a unique QR label for that specific bag, locking its exact weight, cost, and expiry date into the tracked inventory. This abstract diagram shows the core law: first expired, first out. The system locks NOR batches and highlights the oldest stock. When a chef scans the QR code, they must pull from that exact oldest batch, instantly deducting the gram weight. By hardwiring this rule into the daily workflow, ingredients simply do not sit forgotten on a back shelf until they expire. Even with precise planning, massive live events will occasionally end up with leftover raw ingredients. Look at this top-down schematic of the kitchen zones. Unused ingredients are formally logged and moved into this isolated pending review holding area. Inventory managers review those quarantined items and inject them directly to the front of the line for the next day's cooking. The system also tracks the output. A cooked food log forces managers to record exactly how many prepared meals were distributed, refrigerated, or disposed of. All of this data flows directly to the executive dashboard. Leadership sees exact kilograms and rupees lost to waste in real time. Zero waste becomes a hardwired, highly visible operational workflow that demands continuous improvement after every event. Over years of operation, every QR scan, weight log, and surplus return compiles into a massive, highly structured database. This data is an active, AI-ready foundation. This predictive line chart shows the first application, analyzing past seasonal spikes to forecast exact costs and ingredient volumes for an upcoming event. The system then automatically suggests recipe optimizations, adjusting ingredient ratios to hit strict nutritional benchmarks while keeping total cost strictly under budget. Kitchen staff can even query this entire database hands-free, using natural spoken language in Hindi, Arabic, or Gujarati. Because the architecture is multi-client and cloud-based, this exact same ecosystem seamlessly scales from managing 3 local kitchens to 30 kitchens across multiple global cities. FMB HQ delivers the foresight and scale of advanced enterprise software, driven entirely by the heart and purpose of community service.